Hi, PADnet 4.0 is a non-invasive diagnostic device designed to identify peripheral vascular disease. What's unique about PADnet is its cloud-based infrastructure that supports a number of different operating models in the MA space, as well as the fee-for-service world. To enter data into the PADnet system, there's a number of different ways you can get patient data populated to begin a test. One way is to leverage your EMR, and we can support connecting our PADnet system with your EMR through an HL7 interface. We can gather data from an EMR in a number of different ways, and that is an optional module. In addition, if you don't want to use the EMR to connect to your patient data, you can have anyone at your organization use a web browser to access our Remote View service to schedule patients. Patient data can be entered in from a chase list or from your EMR. Once the patient is scheduled with the appropriate demographic data, the person operating the device uses a web-based application to gather the data from the Remote View application. Once the test is performed, the data is then sent back up to the cloud from the PADnet DTU, or Diagnostic Testing Unit. And that test can be used in a number of different ways. Typically, a vascular specialist will interpret that study, and that study can be, the study interpretation can be sent back to the PADnet user, who would then access it through the Remote View website. Keep in mind that although data is encrypted on the device, once the data is sent to the cloud, it no longer resides on the device. In addition, once the test is interpreted, you can use an HL7 interface to move the interpreted test data back into the cloud, or you can send it into your EMR through an HL7 interface. And there are a number of different formats that we support for importing that data into your EMR. So that's how data flow works in the PADnet system. Thanks.